Where material meets knowledge, where tradition embraces technology, there is the world of trend. Bringing beauty into people's daily lives. This is our mission. Trend is a leading global producer of full-bodied glass and 24-karat gold mosaics, Venetian smalti, and etherium engineered surfaces. From our headquarters in Vicenza to our production facilities and offices around the world, Trend designs, produces, and installs each one of its products with the finest care and extraordinary speed. We merge Italian craftsmanship with cutting-edge technologies, elevating an ancient tradition to new heights. At Trend, people make the difference. We deliver tailor-made project support from design to execution with fast delivery from our inventory and expert installation. Our collections embrace every shade and every shape. Our team of mosaic masters combines passion with expertise, infusing every creation with artistry and craftsmanship. By using up to 78% post-consumer recycled glass and 60% less raw material, we create products that are not only beautiful, but also sustainable. By harmonizing beauty with innovation, Trend brings design creativity to life.